नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे साथ कुछ और लोग जुड़ चुके हैं। ये जो पेंशन का मुद्दा है, जो सरकार मार्च में जो बिल लेके आई है, उसके द्वारा जो कुछ पेंशनर्स के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, अन्याय, भेदभाव का जो एक मुद्दा निकल के सामने आ रहा है, तो उस पर बात करने के लिए आइए जानते हैं कि सर को क्या कहना है। नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
हाँ सर, क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम है M.K. बागची।
अच्छा।
आई एम चेयरमैन ऑफ NCCPA, माने नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, उसका दिल्ली यूनिट का चेयरमैन हूँ।
अच्छा।
तो टुडे इट इज एन ऑल इंडिया प्रोग्राम, थ्रू आउट इंडिया इट इज हो रहा है। दिल्ली में इट इज वेन्यू इज जंतर मंतर, एंड all pensioners organization, all pensioners across the board, they are included in the NCCPA or Forum of Civil Pensioners Association. Forum of Civil Pensioners Association. So today we are joining here to form the human chain to lodge our protest against the, very recently one legislation has been passed by the parliament, that is Amendment towards Validation Act. A simple meaning is this, that regarding pension, whatever rights have been accrued by the central government pensioners due to various court judgments, right from the Nakara judgment over the decades together, and whatever judgment will be passed in future and present, everything can be made null and void. That kind of power has been acquired by the government by this amendment of validation.
Can be null and void, but it has not been null and void yet, and government has promised that there will be no discrimination in the 8th commission, which is next 8th pay commission. So what you have to say on that?
See, simple thing, one simple logic you kindly try to understand. Government has acquired the power. What is the purpose of this? You see, since 1947, things are there. This pension scheme is mooted right from the British period, and subsequent governments is carrying out it, and it has been improved from time to time by the pensioners' grievances through court judgment. There was no need for this kind of very sweeping and draconian rules, where government has acquired everything, including they can change the pension rules.
So you are pointing
So
to the
if they do not do now, they may do tomorrow. Otherwise, what is the purpose? If the statute purpose cannot be simply in the legislation, it will have to be effect. What is that effect? Naturally, we are scared of this. Number one. Then there are certain indications. That 8th pay commission, which government intended to form and announced at the time of Delhi election, till today it has not been notified. Even terms of reference has not been issued. Number one. Number two, regarding notional increment, whatever court judgment has been issued, now the DP, Government of India, has arbitrarily changed its date of effects. The effect from date, they have changed and they have done it. By which power they have done? They have used this power. Moreover, one court case is there in S30 case in Delhi High Court. The S30 pensioners, they won the cases in the lower benches, and ultimately government has appealed to division bench. And as soon as the Validation Act was passed, amendment to Validation Act, government lawyers, solicitors, assistant solicitors had put this amendment to the bench, division bench of High Court, to say this judgment does not have any validity. Now government has got the power. So from this, you may say your pension has been not stopped. But we cannot wait up to that time. Is it not?
Before this, you have the right to appeal in the courts, but now you cannot.
If already cases are pending, but at any point of time, government can show this amendment and say this case is infructuous. This case का कोई value नहीं है. So that is why lakhs of central government pensioners, civil pensioners, today they are gathered in this kind of human chain all over India. Almost all major district towns it is being done. Metro towns in Delhi we are doing. We have named this unit as the Delhi unit of NCCPA, and that is organizing in Delhi. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And we are challenging in the Supreme Court now.
Okay.
Yes, we are filing case against this finance bill in the Supreme Court to challenge it. Very shortly, we are going to the Supreme Court to challenge
Thank
this
you.
punishment.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.